In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to share a Notion template step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Sharing Notion templates is incredibly useful if you want to collaborate with others, share your workflow, or provide templates to your team, clients, or audience. We'll walk through the entire process, from finding a template in the Notion marketplace all the way to copying and sharing the link. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion account. Once you're on the Notion dashboard, look over to the left-hand side and click on the Marketplace. This is where Notion hosts thousands of ready-made templates created by Notion and the community. Inside the Marketplace, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type the name of the template you want. For this example, we're going to search for a to-do template, so type in to-do. As the results load, scroll through the list until you find the one you want to use. In this case, click on Simple Weekly To-Do List. This will open the templates page, where you can preview how it works and what's included. Once you're on the template page, click the Add button. If you've already added it before, you might see Add Again instead, and that's totally fine. Next, Notion will ask where you want to add this template. You can choose to add it to your private workspace or to a specific team space if you're working with others. Select the location that makes the most sense for you. After adding the template, navigate to it from your sidebar and open it up. For this example, open the weekly plan page inside the template. Here, you can start customizing it however you like. You can check off tasks you've completed, edit text, or adjust the layout before sharing it. Once you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right corner of the page and click on Share. This is the most important step. In the Share menu, make sure the page is accessible to anyone you want to send it to. Then click on Copy Link. This copies the Notion template link to your clipboard. You can now paste this link anywhere, like in an email, message, website, or social media post, and anyone with access can view or duplicate your template. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share a Notion template. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.